Oh, hi folks. We're just goofing around, kind of checking out some of the roads in the mountains, and we saw this pull-off spot, a little parking spot like on the edge of a dirt road. There was a stream there. I thought maybe Aquila would like to get out and get a drink, but we followed this path, and look what is here. Is this like, this is just gorgeous. The path is only 100 feet from the road, and but as we're walking in, there's like socks and underwear along the trail, so I'm not sure what that means. This is like the most perfect soaking pool. It's probably just 2, maybe 3 feet deep. Just perfect for soaking. And it probably has trout in it, so they can clean the dead skin off you. But isn't that pretty little waterfalls? He's thinking about it. Go get it! His wet feet slip on this rock. He's only saved himself with 4-paw drive. Go get it! Get it! Go on! Go on! Get it! Quick! Get it! Here's something you don't find every day on a trail. It's the remains of a Luna moth. A very elegant creature to find in the woods at any time of year or any place. He apparently got eaten or something. I don't know if you can see this. There's a stream that goes underground here. It's up over there. It's flowing quite regularly up over there. Just a normal little stream. And then this looks like some kind of a mudslide came down here, and it didn't wash it away, so it went underneath it. That's a little tiny hole, and then it goes clear dirt, bottles and stuff on top of it until it gets way over there to the stream again. That's kind of cool. There's some really big stumps in here, some pretty big rocks, and there's a lot of mud. Hey, get back here. You're not to play in the mud. Here's some kind of gall-forming insect on a... I think this is an azalea. I don't think this is a rhododendron. Kind of interesting looking on the leaf. It's on the leaf. It's not a bud or anything. We are following a road off the main road, which is a dirt road, that had a gate, so you couldn't go down here driving. And we're just We're just taking a little hike, but this is a nice little road. It's got a little stream over here trickling along. We were thinking maybe it has a waterfalls or something. You know, all these streams come out of the mountains, and somewhere there's a waterfalls. So, hitchhiker. He's trying to see if I measure up. We came to a fork in the road, so we took it. But we decided to go back to the regular road. That's where we came from. That's the other road. And this is the road we're going to continue on. According to the GPS, it doesn't go very long. We have seen some interesting things. Lots of flowers and insects and things like that. But Aquila found a bunny rabbit, which did not want to find Aquila, so it took off, and Aquila took off after him, and I let him go for a couple of minutes, and then I called him back, and he came right back. He's such a good dog. There's a lot of bamboo in North Carolina, I guess. I guess it's one of the good places for bamboo to grow. There's a bamboo farm we thought of visiting. We've seen a lot of this stuff. Some people call it reindeer moss. We haven't seen any reindeer though. So I don't know. Could be a good place to bring reindeer. It's really just a very prolific lichen, which I like. Well, it appears we have crested the mountain and we are now going down the other side. My GPS, which has a map on it, says we've gone beyond the end of the road. Our trail is no longer following a road, so I think we're going to turn around. We've gone around 3 miles. We got to get back to the car, of course. Well, now this is nice too. There's a big pool down there. He's learning how to drink. Get a drink. He's thinking about it. He's thinking about it. He's hot. Go get him. Go get him. He's afraid of those crayfish.